Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we provide visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Send your request into designs@patioheat.com for your personalized recommendation. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decisions for your applications. We strive during your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so we have this residential covered deck patio, and let's go ahead and go right into the overall dimensions I have. So basically, overall dimensions is just a little bit over 15 foot 6 inches. We got 15 foot 9.5, and then I have a 10-foot length over here from the wall to the outside edge over here, and then we have a ceiling height of roughly about 9 foot and 3/4 of an inch. And the fan here, now I tried to match it up with the actual floor plan that I received, and so I came up with a measurement of 4 feet 4 inches in diameter of this fan here. That could be a little bit larger, could be a little bit smaller. I'm not quite certain of that. Also, the distance of the height of the fan I don't have, but to see what I did put on here, we'll go ahead and just do a quick measurement here, and you can see here we have that at just 9 inches off the ceiling itself. So anything else? I think we have the lighting fixtures, and we have a sliding door here. So let's go ahead and look at what we can do here, and let's turn off the dimensions for right now, and I'm also going to turn off the floor plan here for now. And then the original request was something of this nature here, where they wanted to have a couple of the 3000 watt C series Infratech models here. I've laid them out so that they match up with the actual floor plan that they provided. You can see here and here, and so this is okay. However, the only concern I have is the actual height of the heater itself. So the fan here might be an issue with regards to the clearances below the heater itself. So if the fan is in that clearance area, then these fan blades must be non-combustible steel fan blades, and then something like this would work. Let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat here, and I'm going to turn off that floor plan again. You can see with 2 of the 3000 watt units, you get a lot of overlapping here. That might be okay with the 3000 watt unit, and this would be a well heated up area. I do have this 18 inches off of the edge over here. Let's make sure that that's on proper. It's actually a little bit further over, maybe 2 inches. So we can call it 20 inches. But again, the clearance over here is the only issue I really see. So this may work. It just depends on what the true height of the fan and the type of fan blades might be. All right, so let's go ahead and look at some other options. And another option would be something like using the CD model. So the CD 4024, and what I've done here is I've centered it over the table itself. You could push it all the way to the edge, up to 18 inches to the edge here from the edge of the heater, or you could center it between the light fixtures here. However, centering it over the table gives you the best footprint over the table. And you can see here we have a really nice footprint of heat over the seating position, as well as these are CD series. So these are, again, 4024s. You could put a duplex switch on, so you can put one unit on, or one element on, one element off, or both elements on, or 3 elements or 4 elements on, depending on what that type of temperature is for that particular day. The overlapping ray is, I would say, pretty decent. And let's see if I can get the distance I have of the heaters themselves from center to center. So this would be the center of the heater here, and the center of the heater here, if we can grab it, let's see, here we go. And you can see that I have them roughly 4 feet 8 inches center to center. So I think this would be a very good application. Again, the clearances below the heater. With the C series, you can see that we are not, I believe, not hitting the fan blade itself with the distance that I have away from the wall itself. So let's go ahead and just take a quick measurement of that, and that would be something of, hold on one second, I'm sorry about that. All right, so that would be right here to this edge of the wall here, if I can grab that. Oops. Try that once again. There we go. We have 6 feet 4 3/4 of an inch off that edge of the wall. I'll go ahead and delete that for right now. But yeah, so you can see that the footprint of heat is really good, and we're not hitting that 4 foot 4 inch diameter fan blade with the heaters, you know, this separated apart, as well as we're not covering up the light fixtures here or here. So I think that would be a pretty decent application as well. All right, let's go into another option, and that next option would be something of the nature of the CD3024, which is a 33-inch long unit as opposed to the 39-inch long unit on the CD4024s. These are located in the same position, I believe. I may have pushed this one over just a few inches before, so let's go over here and go 4 inches there. And yeah, so this is another good application. So this would be a total of 6,000 watts with both units, and again, you could use a duplex switch or a control system. And let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat here. The footprint of heat's a little bit tighter over here, but I think it would still be okay for this application. And with 6,000 watts, even though that you can see that the height of the heater itself is really designed for a lower height, with that overlapping ray, I think this would still be a decent application, but I would probably stick with the 4,000s if I was going to go with a shorter unit here. All right, so that is that one, and let's look at the final option, which would be the slimline units. And I'm just going to place one slimline here, centered, I believe, between the 2 light fixtures here. And here you don't have any issues with regards to the fan. You don't have any issues with regards to clearances on the left or right, so, or front to back. And I think this would be a good application as well. It just won't heat up the entire space as well as you would probably really want, but it's pretty good. I mean, this is you know, this is a 10-foot throw here, and I should say it this way, the throw from left to right here is about 10 foot, and then front to back is going to be about 12 foot. You can see the rays overlapping over here a little bit, and as well as into the resident itself. So this would be a good application as well. So now, what is my preferred application on all units that I showed would probably be the CD4024 models here. That would be my preferred. All right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you'd like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com, and could you kindly please tap that like button? We're trying to increase our exposure, and we really appreciate you doing that. If you learned anything or maybe enjoyed viewing a video like this, and by all means, send your information in to us. We're happy to do a design for you, and thank you very much. Have an excellent day.